Halo guys, kembali lagi dengan channel saya Irman. Saya punya albino guys, dapat albino mata merah.
I got a few words that I have to say since you came along my way.
Telurnya 5.
You will say
Dua. Guys,
you seem like a little bit tired, but I will try to leave you inspired. I may be not the light I'm used, but I believe in what I do.
ini anak.
So tell me how many
guys,
times have you felt done so when all the things were going wrong? So you thought about quitting, you wanted peace, but you keep dreaming. I know how it feels. Life's hard, but we can make it easy. Dream big and see that you are breathing. Unfurl the sails, spread your wings. Start making real your magic.
Dua, telurnya 5. Dua mati ya.
Just close your eyes and visualize. Then fight for your highest heights,
Betina.
so that your dreams come true.